Hey everyone, how's going there? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sujal, and in this video I'm gonna talking about how one can become a self-taught programmer, or what are the points that I am following these days to become a self-taught programmer. Let me tell you one thing, that I'm not a huge programmer. I'm in learning phase. Okay, and in this video I'll be giving few tips or advice for those who want to become a self-taught programmer. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So, according to me, self-taught programmer is not those who don't go any institutions or who follow any online courses or any boot camp. But what I think, it simply means when someone is not waiting for someone to take initiative to just take you or to make you understand what exactly programming skill is by any kind of means, whether it be online courses, by books, or by documentation, etc. Then you are called that you are on the right track to become a self-taught programmer. So, taking initiative to become a self-taught programmer is not an easy task, or this journey is not of a week or a month, but it requires a lot of patience and dedications in you. Okay, so please, you have to understand, you have to be patient, or you have to be dedicated to your work. Okay, then only you'll become a good self-taught programmer. So let's know what are the points to become a self-taught programmer, or what are the points that I am following to become a self-taught programmer. Well, the first point that I will highly recommend you to just follow anyhow is to explore as much as you can. Before starting to the journey to being a self-taught programmer, you have to explore as much as you can in the region of programming, from basics to the advanced. Okay, and I know that it will take a lot of time, but it will help you in making your foundation in an excellent manner. Okay, so there are thousands of resources are available on the internet, so you can use all of those resources to gather informations, knowledge, and all this stuff. Okay, so that's why I will highly recommend you to explore as much as you can in order to build excellent foundations at initial stage. If you are super beginner, then start with Python language, because it has very simple syntax and easy to learn by beginners. Okay, so now the time to gather resources, right? So there are a lot of resources, or a bunch of resources are available out there on the internet, right? So now you have to choose either free courses or either purchased or online course. Okay, I will recommend you to go with purchase course, because those courses contains a structured or a comprehensive course, and on free courses you will not get the structured or a comprehensive course. So I will highly recommend you to purchase any good course from any online platforms. Okay, and always remember one thing, that stick to one programming language. Switching to other language will let you down, and at the end you will not become a self-taught programmer, or you will not become a excellent self-taught programmer. Okay, so stick with one language. Now the third most important point that I will highly recommend you to follow anyhow is learn by doing. Okay, now the time to show or to implement that what you have learned in your past, right? So this will only be possible when you build something, or when you will work on a different project. Okay, I mean, whatever the things you have learned, you have to implement somewhere to build real world projects, or you have to work on groups or any boot camps, then to just get confidence. You have to follow this point anyhow, because if you अगर तुम सारी टेक्नोलॉजी को सीखते रहे, और अगर तुम किसी प्रोजेक्ट्स में काम नहीं कर रहे हो, और या खुद का प्रोजेक्ट्स तुम नहीं बना रहे हो, तो वो टेक्नोलॉजी सीखने का कोई भी मतलब नहीं बनता है। क्योंकि अगर तुम सीख लेते हो सारा, और तुम उस चीज़ को जानते नहीं हो कि कहाँ पे उस चीज़ को मैं अप्लाई करूँ, तो काफ़ी मुश्किल हो जाएगा to become a self-taught programmer. So I will highly recommend you, along with learning, just to build some projects. okay, to see where you are standing or how much you are getting concepts. Let's talk about the last but not least point, and that is consistency and the hard work. So this point is very important. If you are following all the 3 points that I have discussed above, and particularly you are not following this point, then you will be destroyed. Literally, mind it, you will be destroyed, because human mind is not like a computer machine. I know that computer machine भी हम लोगों ने ही डिजाइन करा है, human ने ही डिजाइन करा है. But human mind is not like a computer machine that it will always remember the concept that we had earlier. So I will highly recommend you be consistent and revise all the topics that you have learned before. And I'm 100% guarantee that if you'll follow all the 4 points that I have discussed in this video, then definitely you will become our excellent self-taught programmer one day. Mind it, I'm 100% sure. So this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome contents for you all. And as you can see my Instagram handle, go and follow me there and comment down below whether this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, so bye bye, stay motivated and peace out.